Pot de crème is a more fine version of a chocolate pudding. We top it with fresh house-made whipped cream and house-made candied hazelnuts. It's our chocolate lover's dream. Welcome to Dig In Buffalo, brought to you by Milk for Health. First, I'm gonna heat up my heavy cream. We use the 40% because that's the good stuff. It's a higher milk fat, so it gives it more of that rich, creamy texture that you want, and it just tastes better. So I just want this to come up to like a simmer. I don't want to boil it because then once I add the chocolate, it'll burn. This should be like the creamiest, chocolatiest, warmest finish to your meal, I think. Not that it's warm, it's served cold, but warm hug on the inside. This is essentially the same process as making ganache. You're almost looking for that Hershey's syrup consistency. And then this is gonna sit in the fridge to totally set. For the whipped cream to top the pot de crème, we have 40% heavy cream. Personally, I want something creamy, something crunchy, and something sweet, all in one. I'm very much not a pastry chef, but I have a great team, and they're all super creative, and we've all kind of been collaborating there with our desserts for the menu. I prefer the piping bag. I feel like this is a super old school, but also it always looks pretty. It's creamy and chocolatey, and we top it with candied hazelnuts, so it's like a way better version of Nutella, and who doesn't love Nutella? And then to serve it, we top it with these cute little lids, and this is just so simple. It's like nostalgic in a sense of like chocolate pudding when you were a kid, so like why overcomplicate things? And that's it. The Quenelle pâte de crème. Yeah, the jar always comes back clean.